Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make Spanish omelette in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe I've used one large potato, so you're going to grate the potatoes as shown in the video. So make sure you grate it well. After grating, your potato should be as shown, and you'll put that aside and take one carrot. I've used one carrot, so you're going to grate the carrot too. After all the grating is done, you're going to take the potatoes using your clean hands and squeeze out all the excess starch as shown in the video. So you're going to repeat that to all the grated potatoes. Make sure you squeeze it well so that the starch is out. Then you're going to take the carrot and do the same as shown. After that, you're going to put that aside. Then you're going to crack in 2 eggs. You'll then add some salt to taste and a pinch of black pepper. You can also add paprika and other spices if you want. You're going to give that a beat. So you're going to beat the eggs well. Then you're going to add the grated carrot and the grated potatoes. Give it a good mix. Make sure you mix that well. After that, you're going to heat some 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan. Then you're going to pour in the potato and carrot mixture. You're going to pour it in the pan. Spread it well using a fork or using a spoon. Then you're going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking omelette on medium heat, you're going to flip it. So you're going to use a plate to flip it on the other side so that it can also cook. You're going to cover the plate on the pan. Then you're going to do as shown on the video. Then you're going to return the omelette on the pan so that it can cook for. You let the other side to cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to flip it again to see if it is well cooked. So you'll do as shown in the video. You'll then let it cook until it turns that nicely golden brown color as shown in the video. Then you're going to remove from the heat and ready to be served. As you can see, mine turned out well, and this recipe was so simple and delicious, and I'm sure you'll give it a try. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you try, can you let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. Until next time, bye.